Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and I am so glad that you are here with me today, and I am going to share a wonderful recipe with you. Today I wanted something simple to make but absolutely delicious, so what I decided to make was my crock pot barbecue chicken. This is so simple and so easy. It's one of those things that you can just throw in the crock pot and just forget about it, which that's what you can do with all your stuff in the crock pot, but this is just so easy to make and I love it. The chicken comes out so nice and tender and juicy. It's simply amazing. So just a few ingredients is all it takes, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what I've got here. I bought these at my local grocery store today. I'm going to pan the camera down here. I want you to look how big those chicken breasts are. That is only 4 chicken breasts. Let me turn some light on here. There. Hopefully you can see it well. The lighting's good, but I want you to look how big that is. They're massive. I've got 4 of them here, and I've already got my crock pot right here on my counter ready to go. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some seasoning in this. Maybe just a little tiny bit of water, and I'm going to put my lid on it, and that's all that we're going to do. But let me show you what I've got here. This is my signature blend seasoning. It is my seasoning I created myself. It is absolutely phenomenal. It is a mixture of several of my favorite spices that I love, and I think you're gonna like it. If you have not gotten this already, go to my Facebook fan page, In the Kitchen with Sandy, and there is an area there where you can purchase this. It will take you straight to PayPal. The link will. Very secured site. This is phenomenal. You need this in your kitchen. I use it a lot. Actually, I'll use it a lot more than what I show you guys on here. It is so good, and it is so aromatic to smell. I gotta smell it again. Oh my gosh. And it makes everything, every dish that you're looking to create or make absolutely amazing. Get on my Facebook fan page, follow me. Even if you don't go on there to buy this, follow me on my Facebook fan page. You won't regret buying this. This is going to be a staple in your kitchen once you try it. But anyway, what I'm going to do with my chicken breast is I'm going to season it with this, and that's it. And then a little bit later on, when my chicken starts to get done, let's get these babies seasoned up. I'm gonna make some homemade barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put it right over top. All right, let's get this beautiful chicken seasoned well. Gotta get my lid open first. What I'm gonna do is I've already washed this chicken. I just take it out and rinse it in a little bit of lukewarm water just to make sure that I've got it nice and rinsed. I'm just gonna add my seasoning. Look at that. Look at the beauty in that. Right over top of that. And I'm going to season each and every one of these. I'm going to flip them over. I'm not going to miss not one spot on this chicken. We're going to season every single bit of it. Flip it over. Look how massive those chicken breasts are. This is going to be perfect. And you know what? There is nothing, absolutely nothing better than leftovers. All right, once you got your chicken in and seasoned well, look how absolutely beautiful that is. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just in the bottom of the crock here. Not a whole lot, just enough to create a little bit of steam. That's it. If you want to use chicken stock, you could, but I use a little bit of water, and then I'm also going to use just a couple bouillon cubes here. If I can get them open. I don't know why it's always a struggle for me to use bouillon, to open bouillon cubes. I'm gonna have to start doing it before I start doing the recipe. Now again, this is just very simple and easy. The reason I add the bouillon cubes is it's going to add a little bit of extra goodness to it. I'm going to add just a little bit more water, not a whole lot. And then I'm going to put my lid on. And I am going to let this cook away. Look how beautiful that chicken is. And look, as I was taking it apart, it was absolutely just falling off the, well, if it had a bone in it, it'd be falling off the bone, but it don't. So look at that. I'm taking a bite. I'm going to put it back in this microwave. Not the microwave. You know, I'm out of my mind sometimes. I'm going to put it back in here, because all I wanted to do was drain the juice off of it. I'm still eating as I'm doing this. And now, I didn't give my dogs a bite. They're begging. Oh, I love chicken this way. It is so tender and so delicious. We're going to put it right back in there. And what I like about this, because I cooked so much of it, I'm going to have leftovers. See, it's just falling apart. Isn't that some of the biggest breasts you've ever seen on a chicken? My word. I don't even know about this stuff. All right, now, what? I already made my barbecue sauce, and I'm telling you what, this stuff is on point. You need to make this. It is absolutely phenomenal. Wait, I gotta dip this chicken in this barbecue sauce, just because. I'll try it. Well, she'd make me feed it to her. I gotta dip this chicken in there. Hold up with the video for a second now. Look at that. Oh, that's a piece of chicken in there because I just dipped it. Look at that. That's how good it is. I told you my family loved it. I already made this. This recipe is already here on my channel, so look for it. It is a spicy, it's got a spiciness, a honey. It's just absolutely amazing. So I went ahead and pre-made this so all the flavors could marry. She's over here dancing as she's licking the spoon. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour this right over the chicken, because this stuff is even better when it is heated, like any type of barbecue sauce. But it's cold. It's good cold too. So I've still got my crock pot on. Actually, I've got it on low right now. And that's going to be fine. It's going to heat through perfectly. And I got to find a spoon too. Look at that. And I got that chicken out. I'm ashamed of myself. I got to redo this. Look at this. I got some of this chicken out, a piece of this chicken to give to my dogs. Now, me and Olivia ate it. So I've already poured barbecue sauce on that. There. That's for the dogs. Gotta feed my babies. Now we're gonna get the rest of that barbecue sauce in there. And again, this is a simple and easy crock pot barbecue chicken recipe, and that you guys are gonna love. So I want you to look at that, and we're gonna place the lid back on it. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Oh. And you know, if you're looking for something quick and easy, you know, to feed a large family or, you know, a large crowd of people, this is perfect, and they will love you for it. Lid back on. I'm done talking. Where's my lid? Lid back on. It's right there. Lid, lid, lid. All right, lid back on. I've got this on low. We're gonna let the barbecue sauce heat through. The chicken is totally done. You know what? I might jack it on high just for a little bit to get that barbecue sauce, to get that real stickiness to it that I really like. You know, finger licking. And then we're gonna serve this up. How simple is that? All right, all you beautiful people, my chicken is done and it smells amazing, and I can't wait for you to look at it. I can't wait for you to try it, but most importantly, I can't wait for me to that. Look at that, and it's just like nice and coated. I know there's a little baby piece down in here because look at that. See, it just ripped right off there. That's what happens. And I got this big old plate here. You see that big plate for me to take a bite? Hey, it is what it is, right? Let me get a fork. I'm going to show you how I'm going to enjoy this. Oh my gosh, it's so tender. Oh, it's so tender. What do you want? So good. Man, that is amazing. Girl! You gonna share that with me? She took it. Oh well. This is for dinner tonight. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it real soon. I hope you make it, and I hope you let me know how you like it. I don't know what else to say. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because you know I'm amazing. That's just all it is. I appreciate you guys watching so much, and you know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next recipe episode. See ya. Bye.